Welcome guys, welcome to a new vlog. So today I'm here at Akash Puri, Lord Hanuman's 51 feet statue at the occasion of Ram Navami, and you can see the beautiful statue of Lord Hanuman standing, a massive statue of 51 feet standing at the top of the Silphi Hills. A beautiful crowd has came, and you can see this is nearby the Mangla Ghat, and at the top of the hills you can see the whole city Hyderabad from here, and how beautiful it looks at night. And on the occasion of Ram Navami today, so many folks and crowd has gathered here to just have a celebration of Ram Navami festival. So guys, you can see the statue just behind me is 51 feet tall statue, which is a massive statue and the tallest one in the Hyderabad and Telangana state. And you can see how tall this statue is, and on the occasion of Ram Navami every year they used to take a Shobha Yatra from this place, and that Shobha Yatra actually goes around the city touching different temples and also different places. So that Shobha Yatra is already started from this place around 3 p.m. and it has reached the Gol Masjid somewhere around 10 at the evening. So you can see how beautiful this temple is. This is at the topmost of the hill, and you have to take the steps from there. If you can see, that is the starting point from where you have to take the steps to come all the way to the top of this place where 51 feet Lord Hanuman statue is there. The Lord Hanuman idol is there, where the devotees are coming just to worship, and you can see how beautiful the city looks from the top of this place. A beautiful place, a beautiful crowd, and the weather is also so beautiful today at the occasion of Ram Navami. This is the massive statue, guys, and you can see the people are just sitting and enjoying the place and celebrating Ram Navami today. So I'll be showing you the other part of this place from where you can see the city view and how beautiful it looks, and even you can listen the music of Shobha Yatra. So that Shobha Yatra has reached somewhere around 1 to 2 kilometers from this place, which I'll try to cover it if possible. But it looks so beautiful, so divine, and so peace and serene from the top of this place to see the city, to celebrate the festival Ram Navami with the divine start from the Lord Hanuman. And it's really a beautiful and must visit place if you are near around Hyderabad or Telangana. Corridor has been created around, just like a terrace view, which you can just sit and relax at the evening and take the view of this place, take the serenity of this place, a peaceful place where you enjoy and celebrate the festivals So let me tell you, the occasion like Ram Navami, Hanuman Jayanti and other festivals are celebrated like anything, and people from different places used to come here. And this place locates somewhere around Mangla Hat, and the place is known as Akashpuri Lord Hanuman Temple, which is a famous place where 51 feet a massive Lord Hanuman is standing. You can see the beautiful city from the top of this place. The top of this place is covering the entire Hyderabad city, and how beautiful it looks at evening. If you can listen the music, that is from Shobha Yatra, it is somewhere 1 to 2 kilometers from this place, and again it will go through a different places to reach its final destination somewhere around 11 at evening. Beautiful view, a beautiful scenic beauty of this place is really eye-catchy for any of the devotees or folks who are coming to this place. And the best beautiful part is the Lord Hanuman statue itself. The massive statue says so many things. So the divine power of Lord Hanuman, the protector and the biggest devotee of Lord Ram. So this Shobha Yatra starts from this place, and it actually rotates around the city, and this is led by different politicians, and one of the famous politician, T. Raja Singh, actually led this particular Shobha Yatra. But this has already been started around 3, and it will just go through different part of the city, and they have different functions and different programs they have in their agenda to have with the different places. So that is taken care by the devotees and taken care by the workers of the party. And every year they used to take this Shobha Yatra starting from 2010. So almost around 15 years from now, they are taking this Shobha Yatra in Hyderabad, doing it so nicely with all the devotees, and all the devotees used to just have a darshan and enjoy that yatra that is for Lord Sri Ram. So Ram Navami is celebrated because of the birth of Lord Sri Ram, and the occasion of the birth, how beautiful the devotees are celebrating throughout India. And every year I used to celebrate in my hometown, which is again a massive crowd. There also we have a Shobha Yatra, and we used to take the flags from one of the temple to the Tapovan temple, and that's how every year I used to celebrate there. So the similar feeling I am getting here itself in Hyderabad, where they have a different way of celebrating, but the same kind of celebration, where the Shobha Yatra start from one of the place and end at one of the Hanuman and Ram Mandir temple. So the same kind of feeling, the same kind of divine and devotion for Lord Sri Ram is always there in the heart of every Indian, every Hindu, and that is the best part of this. And with this, I'm good to close this video here itself. We'll meet in a new video with a new content, and after 6 days we have Hanuman Jayanti as well. So on the occasion of Hanuman Jayanti, again I'll cover some other video with a new place. I'll try to explore some new places there. And with this, I'm good to close my video here itself. We'll meet in a new video with a new content. Bye bye for now. Take care. Happy Ram Navami to all and Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
So even other folks are doing Jai Shri Ram. So take care guys, keep liking, keep watching, and we'll meet in a new video with a new content. Bye bye for now. Take care, be healthy, keep enjoying your life, and Jai Shri Ram and happy Ram Navami to everyone. Bye bye for now.